Namaste to all. Myself Ramesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of ATM from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Government University, Jaipur. Our subject is .NET Technology. In last lecture we have discussed about the basic features, introductions, what is Visual Basic, okay, and what are the features and advantages of Visual Basic. So today we will discuss Visual Basic and VB.NET. Why Visual Basic and why VB.NET. So first of all we will discuss Visual Basic. VB stands for Visual Basic. We will differentiate between Visual Basic and VB.NET. Okay. So listen it. VB stands for Visual Basic. It is a high-level programming language that is used for the fast development of Windows-based programming. Okay. तो क्या है VB क्या है, Visual Basic क्या है, हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज दैट इज यूज फॉर द फास्ट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ विंडोज बेस्ड प्रोग्राम. VB.NET क्या होता है, VB.NET इट स्टैंड फॉर विजुअल बेसिक नेटवर्क इनेबल टेक्नोलॉजी. ओके, तो इट इज ए टेक्नोलॉजी बट VB इज ए विंडो बेस्ड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. ओके, so next slide we see Visual Basic is interpreter based language. Okay, Visual Basic is interpreter based language while VB.NET is compiled based language. Clear? Second point is Visual Basic is runtime while VB.NET is a common language as specification. We have discussed about .NET in a starting CLR and CLS. So VB.NET is related to, I tell now VB.NET is related to framework. Okay, so it correlates with the .NET CLS. Okay, so VB.NET is a common language as specifications. Next point is VB language is not safe. आपका Visual Basic जो है safe नहीं है, but VB.NET is safe in comparison to Visual Basic. लेकिन VB.NET जो आपका .NET फ्रेमवर्क में काम हो रही है वो Visual Basic से ज़्यादा सेफ है VB.NET. ओके, अगेन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Visual Basic is object based language while VB.NET is a pure object based programming language. क्लियर? Visual Basic क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट बेस्ड है, क्लास बेस्ड है, while VB.NET is not VB.NET is a true object, means it is 100% object based programming language. Okay, true object based programming language means 100% pure object oriented programming language. Next point is Visual Basic is int type structure and can be used in declared function. Visual Basic है int type structure and can be used in चल सकता है declared function में, while VB.NET declared using a structure in a structure construct. While VB.NET declared using a structure in the structure construct. Clear? Next point है आपका most of the parameter passed by reference. Most of the parameter passed by reference while VB.NET parameter passed by default value. Okay, most of the parameter passed by reference से पास होता है while VB.NET parameter passed by default value. .NET is strongly typed और type safe language. .NET का strongly type base है और safe language in comparison to Visual Basic. While safe language while is not strongly typed, but .NET आपका strongly typed नहीं है, लेकिन Visual Basic strongly type है लेकिन strongly type नहीं है. कौन? Visual Basic. लेकिन .NET जो Visual Basic .NET जो है strongly typed safe language है. So okay, so what we see, Visual Basic is more comfortable and more safe, more robust in comparison to Visual Basic. So that's why we use V.NET more and more with respect to Visual Basic. So today is all about this. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you to all. Okay, I think you all cleared your concept. So I think you like my videos. So comment it. Okay, comment it, subscribe it, suggest it, and like it also. Thank you to everyone.